Hi, my name is Tamika Mosley, and today I am going to do a bone broth recipe. So bone broth, you guys, is super healing for the entire body, especially for the digestion, for the gut, for bone formation, for strengthening the immune system. It is just a very healing broth that has been eaten for centuries and centuries. So you can get your beef bones from your local butcher. So these are just regular beef bones. And I'm going to actually roast the meat and vegetables because it's going to bring out a really good flavor. So I have some leeks that I'm going to place on here. I have celery. And I have raw garlic, onion, and carrots. I'm gonna place that right here. So we're going to be eating this, and I want it to be a really good flavor. And this is the reason why I am putting all the vegetables here. But one thing about when you roast it, it's supposed to bring out the flavors more. Okay, so now that we have our beef bones and all of our vegetables here, we're going to roast it on 400 for at least 30 minutes. And I'll be right back. Bones and the vegetables are done roasting, and look at all of that. So I am just going to take everything and place it in my slow cooker. So everything is in the pot. So now I have filtered water. I am going to fill the pot with filtered water. I didn't want to use tap water just because of all the aluminum and arsenic and fluoride that's in that. Now I'm going to put fresh parsley. I am going to put pink Himalayan salt. Generous amount of that. And I have black peppercorn. I'm going to put this in here as well. Okay, you guys, and I am going to cover this, and I am going to slow cook it for 10 to 12 hours, and I will see you back here shortly. Wow, look at all of that broth just simmering. So I'm gonna let this cool, and when you let it cool, there will be a layer of fat across the top. Now, it's very important that you scrape the fat off the top, and then after you scrape the fat off, you're able to enjoy your bone broth. Alrighty, you guys, I will come back and post pictures of the finished product, but this is pretty much how you make bone broth. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, but it's definitely full of nutritional properties, amino acids, and just so super healing for the body. And I encourage everybody to start sipping and drinking bone broth and make that part of your daily regimen or weekly regimen or monthly regimen. But it's something that we can definitely include in our daily lives because it's something that's so important that every individual living today need to have bone broth because it's super healing. All right, take care, you guys. Talk to you soon.